Yo, what is going on, guys? Merlin420 here, coming at you with a new video. This video, I'm going to be playing All Out New Vegas, and I'm going to be showing you guys my personal opinion of the best pistol in the game, which is a light shining in darkness. You get this pistol from the Honest Hearts DLC. Man, this pistol is fucking sick, man. I'm going to show you guys what this pistol can do. We're going to enter this weird glove society thing and just kill every motherfucker in there because we can, man. I think this pistol has like 400 damage or some shit per second, so that's pretty mad. It's usually a one hit, and it honestly just fucks every cunt up, like straight up. It's mean. Let's have a look what it can do to this fag in the mask, because I hate these people,
Beg your pardon.
because they're cannibals and shit. Now watch me blow his head off.
Over here.
What a drugger. Alright. So yeah, man, this pistol's fucking sick. Highly recommend that you get this, because the Honest Hearts DLC is pretty sick too, so that's a mad DLC to play. And this pistol is just awesome, you know, just by itself, man. If you have this pistol, you pretty much don't really need another gun. Like, sometimes I just roll with this pistol and a sniper rifle when I'm sweet for like killing anything, pretty much. I usually also have a shotgun for backup, but you know, it's just cause shotguns are fucking sick too, like this pistol. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna let you watch the rest of this gameplay of me killing everybody in the fucking place, and hope you guys enjoy. New videos coming soon. Peace out.
Whoa! Oh, careful!
I wanted Mr. Gunderson out of the way, not slaughtered in my hotel. Our business is concluded. Good day. Hey!
I'm out of here.
War is almost upon us.